In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 to review and improve your trading. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull your data, read the key stats, and turn those insights into better decisions. Start by opening your trading history in MetaTrader 5. Press Ctrl+T to bring up the toolbox, then click the History tab. This view contains all your completed trades and is the foundation for an effective review. If you don't see the trades you expect, don't worry, we'll set the right time period next. Inside the History tab, right-click anywhere and choose the time range that fits your goal. Pick All History for a full performance review or select the last 1 to 3 months if you want a focused snapshot. Shorter windows are great for spotting recent patterns without getting overwhelmed. Now generate a detailed report so you can see the bigger picture. Right-click in the History tab again, choose Report, then select Open XML and save it. This file compiles your stats in a clean format you can open in a browser or spreadsheet, making it easy to track over time. From that report, identify your overall performance. Look at total trades to gauge sample size, win rate to understand consistency, profit factor to see how much you make for every unit you risk, and maximum drawdown to measure the worst peak-to-trough decline. A profit factor above 1 signals a positive edge, while a deep drawdown warns you to tighten risk or refine entries. Next, analyze your losing trades first. That's where most of the learning lives. For each loss, check whether your entry truly matched your rules, whether your stop loss was placed logically, whether you overtraded, and whether emotions pushed you off plan. Document these findings. They become your checklist for the next session. Then, check risk consistency. Review position sizes and stop distances to confirm you're risking roughly the same fraction each time. A solid guideline is to risk about 1% of your account balance per trade. For example, on a balance of 10,000, that's 100 of risk. Consistency here keeps drawdowns manageable and results comparable. Evaluate your risk to reward. Make sure trades offered a sensible upside relative to the risk. Favor setups where potential reward clearly outweighs the risk. And confirm your targets weren't set unrealistically. Finally, track improvements weekly. Set a recurring time to review your history again, compare your latest report to the prior one, and check whether the mistakes you identified are decreasing. Improvement is measured over time, so keep saving reports, refining notes, and sticking to the process.